Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's videos, you can see from the title, we're back with another Louis Vuitton unboxing. I'll be sharing with you my latest purchase from the new Louis Vuitton flagship store in Manila, which is located in Greenbelt 3. I bought a few things there. Two of the items here are from the recent Christmas animation collection, and the other one is sort of a classic unicorn piece. And here they are. I haven't opened it up yet, so this is sort of a true unboxing. So now let's open it together and see what I got. So where do we start? Because to be honest, I don't know which one is which. I think let's start first with the smallest paper bag and let's see what's in here. As always, came in this beautiful drawer type box. I use this for my trinkets, for like accessories and other stuff. So this box is really functional, so I don't throw them away. And in the event that I decide to sell this item, I'll be able to sell it with complete inclusions like box, dust bag, and paper bag, and also the receipt. So it's really important to keep everything. So here's the first item, guys. It is this very cute Vivienne holiday bag charm in damier azure with the Hollywood print. Isn't it the cutest? Oh my gosh. I super love this print, you guys. I fell in love with Vivienne. Here. She is the character, like the mascot of Louis Vuitton. I think the Louis Vuitton game contributed to why I decided to buy this. And even my wallpaper, look, even my phone wallpaper is Vivienne. She is the cutest. So let me give you a closer look of this bag charm. This is actually a key holder too. So this is sort of multifunctional. And I'm not trying to justify this, but yeah, it's kind of multifunctional because you can use this as a key holder. I can even attach this on my belt loop here. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, I love it. Here's a closer look of the Hollywood print. Super duper nice. I was also trying to get the mini pochette in damier azure with the same print. Exactly like this, but it was just super impossible to get. The stocks were very limited, and even this bag charm, I think this was the last piece from the store according to my SA. So I was just happy that I was able to get this. And now let's move to the second purchase I made. This came in a bigger paper bag and a bigger box. So I think I know what this is. And the sales associate included this book. I think this one is their new or the latest issue. I love the images inside. Look, super nice. Here's the Fornasetti. Is that how you pronounce it? Collaboration with Louis Vuitton. Here is the new building in, I think this one is Ginza in Japan. Yeah, super nice. So now let's see what the second item is. This one is the passport cover. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love the print. Again, the passport cover from the Christmas animation collection with the Hollywood print. Here's Vivienne holding a coffee or a tumbler, a pink tumbler in Hollywood Drive. Haven't been to America, but I love this print so much. So here's a closer look of the print. You've got a bear wearing a Louis Vuitton pink scarf, riding in a pink car, which is very similar to Barbie's car. And here it says 1854. The street says 1854. I think that's the year Louis Vuitton started. I can see a pochette métis here. Pochette métis, I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, and this one, I don't know if this one is a keep-all bag or I don't know. It's sort of a luggage bag or whatever, Super love the print. And this one, I think this is not hand painted. I think this is screen print, if I'm not mistaken. And guys, the inside interior, oh my god, this color or this shade of pink is sort of like a hot pink. Like, I'm not really a pink person, but in this case, I know you will agree with me that this shade of pink is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it matches so well with the monogram canvas. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna use this as a wallet, you know, because we're still in a pandemic, so I'm not gonna travel anytime soon. So I'll be using this as a wallet, or maybe like a notebook cover, you know, those mini notebooks that you can buy from National Bookstore. So yeah, I'm super excited to use this. It's super cute, and it has 5 card slots, so 1 2 3 4 5, and 2 bill compartments here. Actually, this is for your passport. Let me just get my passport to show you what it looks like with the passport. So I've got here my Philippine passport. So there, looks nice. So yeah, this is sort of functional and versatile. So yeah, I super love this piece, especially the print. Yeah, it's really the print that sold me. So guys, if you can still get this from the store, go ahead, don't think twice, give your credit card info to your SA. Yeah, because this is super hard to get a hold of. Like, this is a limited edition piece. Like, next year it will be a different Christmas animation. Maybe next year it won't be as beautiful as this. So, you know, while it's still available, go ahead and grab one for yourself this Christmas. This is actually my late birthday gift and early Christmas gift for myself, from myself. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah. And now for the last one, but definitely not the least, here it is. Ta-da! This is a classic piece and sort of a unicorn piece, because this was just super duper hard to find. Like, very difficult to get a hold of. I even thought that this was discontinued, but I guess I was wrong, because here's the item with me, fresh from the store. So let's open it together. It's the very popular Toiletry pouch 26 in the size 26. Oh my god, I can't believe that I was able to get this from the store. This is actually my second piece. Like, the first toiletry pouch that I got was from Milan. Yeah, I asked a friend, a personal shopper, to get it for me. So this is the second toiletry pouch that I got. It still has a date code here. I don't know if you will be able to see it there. Yeah. It says UB 2271, meaning it was made 27th week of 2021. I actually decided to sell my old one, the old toiletry pouch that I got from Milan, after the recent price increase. That's why I decided to buy this. You know, when my SA, Aliyah from Greenbelt, offered me this, I was like, oh my god, it's coming back to my collection. So yeah, I'm just so happy that this baby's finally back in my collection. If you're not familiar with this, with the Toiletry 26, it is a semi-structured pouch which you can use as a toiletry pouch, a makeup pouch, or a bag. If you can get this in store, go ahead, because this for me is a good fashion investment, because it's gonna keep its price or it will just gonna go higher. And I do think that this pouch is still worth the money even after the price increase. I mean, you can disagree with me, but that is my opinion. So yeah, this is just a happy find. Hopefully you can be able to get the Toiletry 19 and the 15, or even just the 19, because the 15 is somewhat similar to my mini pochette. So, you know, I just want the 19 because it's like smaller, slightly smaller than this. Because this one, to be honest, is sometimes it's a bit big or huge for a pouch or for a clutch bag. But yeah, that's why I want to get the 19 as well. Nevertheless, this is really such a good buy and such a good investment piece. So yeah, that's it for today's Louis Vuitton unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my small YouTube family. It will help me a lot. Click the like button if you like this video, and also the bell button if you want to get updated every time I post a new video, unboxing videos, room makeover videos. I'm working with my closet. I think the next video that I will be uploading is a closet, small closet organization or refresh or decluttering, you know, something like that. So watch out for it. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again next time. God bless you all. Bye.